Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making Goya Champuru. Goya is a word for bitter melon in Japanese. Champuru means stir fry in Okinawan dialect. In summer, we eat Goya as a seasonal taste for its nutrients at the same time. In my grandma's backyard, there was always bitter melon vine in summer. She used to pick them to make Goya Champuru for dinner. Bitter melon has tremendous nutrients and health benefit to beat the summer heat, like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and more. Go to my website to check more information. Let's get started. Cut in half lengthwise. Scrape the seeds out. Slice thinly as much as you can. Put them in a bowl, add salt and toss to coat. Set aside while preparing other ingredients. Tear firm tofu into 2-inch chunks. Place onto a bamboo mesh tray to get rid of excess moisture using their own weight. Beat the eggs roughly, add a pinch of salt and mix. Cut sliced pork belly into 2-inch lengthwise. Sprinkle just a little bit of soy sauce from the ingredients to make it flavorful when it's cooked. Let's get back to bitter melon. Squeeze out the excess moisture to remove the harsh bitterness. Don't worry, the nutrients remain. Let's start cooking. Stir fry is done in a minute in one pan. Heat the frying pan on high heat. Add a tablespoon of oil. Swirl to cover the surface. Pour the egg mixture. Make soft scrambled egg. Take out. Clean the same pan. Heat on high. Add in the prepared pork belly. Cook until no longer pink. Add Goya. Cook until the color turns bright, about 2 minutes. By cooking with the oil, beta-carotene is digested and absorbed. Moreover, the bitterness masked by the oil. Add tofu and cook until heated through. Season with mirin and soy sauce. Stir to season all around and evaporate excess moisture. Add scrambled egg and break up a little. Drizzle toasted sesame oil, and there you have a Goya Champuru. Transfer to a serving dish, topped with katsuobushi Bonito flakes. Bonito flakes gives a dish nice umami without adding saltiness. The bitterness of Goya masked by the fat of the pork belly and the eggs makes it milder. I love the combination of these ingredients. The Goya is the best food to our weary body from the long and hot summer heat. The nutrients works to detox and stimulate nerves. Here is our daily dinner table. Usually, our dinner consists of main dish made of meat or fish, 2 or 3 side dishes made of vegetable or combination of meat and vegetable, rice and miso soup, and our dinner are completed. Alright, that's it for today. I did my research on the internet. I think you can find Goya in the Asian market. I hope you will give it a try. Thank you for watching the video. Please thumbs up if you like it. Share my channel with your friends and families interested in Japanese food. Go to my website for more information, princessbamboo.com. And you can find Japanese ingredients and kitchen appliances on my store on Amazon. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!